Welcome! In this Excel tutorial, we will learn how to create a colorful status tracker in Excel. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rob Gaffer, and my goal is to provide you with quick and easy tutorials that don't waste your time. Make sure to like and subscribe if my videos helped you. As you see, in this Excel status tracker we have 3 different statuses and 3 different colors for each status. The completed status is in the green color, the in progress status is in yellow color, and the not started status is in red color. The best thing about this tracker is that colors will automatically change depending on the status for each task. For example, let's assume that we completed task 2 and now need to type completed for it. As you see, once we type completed, the cell turns from orange color to green color. Now let's learn how to do this. Let's start with empty cells and type completed, in progress, and not started into the status column. Then let's select all 3 cells and click on the conditional formatting under the Home menu. Select Highlight Cells Rules and then select text that contains. You will see a new window will appear. In the blank text box of this new pop-up window, let's type the words not started. We see that the default color is currently in red and it is perfect for the not started status, so let's just click OK. You will notice that the status is now correctly formatted in the red color. Let's select all 3 cells again and go through this exercise for each different status. Here I'll type completed and select the green fill with dark green text and click enter. Let's do it for the in progress status now. Let's select yellow fill with dark yellow text and let's click enter. Now we have all 3 different statuses with different colors. Let's test if it works. I'm just updating the status of one of the tasks and you see that the color of the cell is automatically updated. Now you know how to create a colorful status tracker in Excel. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and let me know in the comments what else you want to learn on my channel.